Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here we are with the remaining part of lecture 15 of elementary level. Welcome to my channel. English is easy and you are learning English at home and I guess you are enjoying it. Okay, here we are with the remaining part of our previous lecture, lecture 15 part 1. We discussed in that about question words, what, where, who, when, how, whose. So just give me just quickly answer me about the purpose. क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं? What कब इस्तेमाल करते हैं? What, when, who, why, whose, how. Very good. What for a thing when there are many. How like for method. Who for person. When for place, and where for place, and when for time. Very good. So your mind should work very, it should give quick answers, so that if you know the words, the purpose, like क्यों इस्तेमाल होते हैं, तो your answers will be piece of cake, easy. Okay, so let's talk about how to make it. So by putting two words together, like दो words को आप जब एक साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो वो compound word की तरह काम यूज करते हैं. Like question जो है वो compound question की तरह काम करते हैं और उनका मतलब भी बदल जाता है, पर्पस भी बदल जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से हाउ ऑफन हम जब इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो हम बेसिकली क्या पूछ रहे होते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एक्शन. आप किसी शख्स से आप किसी पूछना चाहें कि वो कोई काम कितनी मरतबा करते हैं, कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी से करते हैं, कितनी तादाद में करते हैं. लाइक वैसे आप आप कितनी मरतबा सच बोलते हो. हाउ ऑफन डू यू स्पीक द ट्रूथ. I say I always speak the truth. I never speak the truth. Alright, आप okay, आप like for example I have one example here. How often do you play football? Okay, आप फुटबॉल कितनी मरतबा खेलते हैं. How often do you play football in a day or in a month or in a week? Okay, how often do you use mobile? Okay, how often do you cook at your mom's home? Okay, normally when the girls get married and just come back to home for for staying. So they say आप अपनी अम्मा के घर पे कितनी मरतबा खाना पकाते हैं. So how often do you cook at your mom's home? Alright, fine. Okay, how often do you go to parks? Okay, how often do you call your friend? Okay, so frequency. Answer can be like always, many times, or say usually, sometimes, rarely, never. Okay, and for what frequency we use. So we are basically talking about questions. So question should be how often for asking the frequency. How long हम कब इस्तेमाल करते हैं? When you want to ask the duration. Like कितना वक्त, कितना दौरानिया जो है when you want to ask about the duration. For example, how long did you wait for me? कितना वक्त उसने मेरे लिए इंतजार किया था. It is in past. Okay, पहला present में था. For example, how long did you stay in Naran Kagan during your tour? कितना वक्त आप वहाँ ठहरे थे? How long? Okay, how long? Okay, how long do you spend time at your home? How long? Okay, how long does it take to complete MBA degree? How long? Okay, so how long does it take to cook biryani? Okay, so how long when you want to ask the duration. One more example, how long do you take to complete your lecture, or how long do you take to complete your assignment? Very simple question. How long? कितना टाइम लगता है आपको अपना असाइनमेंट, या कितना टाइम आप लेते हैं अपना असाइनमेंट मुकम्मल करने में. How long does it take to fly from New York to Karachi? न्यूयॉर्क से कराची आने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? How long? Okay, so very useful. How much you use for quantity? इसका भाई भी साथ है. How many? ये भी quantity. But what is the basic difference in much and many? We use for uncountable and we use for countable. Many हम जो है countable नाउन के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. countable. और much हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं uncountable के लिए. For example, how much does a ticket cost? Money is uncountable. Okay, like you can say how much milk do you have a day? Okay, milk is uncountable. How much time do you spend at your like how much time do you spend at your home? Time is uncountable. How much rice do you eat a day? Okay, and if I talk about many, so countable, how many brothers and sisters? Equal word is के लिए siblings. Okay, how many siblings do you have, भाई बहन? Countable 1 2 3 4 9 10 11 12. Okay, okay, how many friends do you have? Okay, how many books, how many English books do you have? Okay, got it? Fine. What kind, what type? Which kind, which type? What or which के बारे में हमने अभी पिछले लेक्चर में पढ़ा, पिछले पार्ट में. What or which वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक के लिए जब बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शन हो, वे इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक के लिए लेकिन ऑप्शंस ज़्यादा ना हो. What kind of car do you drive? There are different, there are many, there are number of cars, the number of categories, or different. तो आप किस तरह की गाड़ी ड्राइव करते हैं? Okay, what kind of dress do you wear? So there are different dresses. Okay, what kind of people do you like? What type? Okay, they are used in the same manner. Which type of sport do you play? Team sports or individual sports? Now see, there are limited options. The options are not many. There are not many. So which type of sports do you play? Team sports or individual sports? So let's say if I just make more example, which type of mobile do you use? Samsung or Galaxy? Samsung or Oppo? Q mobile. Okay. Which type of people do you like? Which type of people do you like? Sensitive or mental? Mad people. Just getting job. Okay. Which type of movies do you like? Like action movies or romantic movies? So when you give the options, when the options are not many, we use which type. When the options are many, so what type? Okay. You can be specific in English. So here we are. Lecture is over. We have completed our topic today. So here we are with our question words, and we have learned today how to use question words, and here we have got compound question words too. Before completing assignments, I remember assignments are two very simple, very easy assignment. There will be one worksheet regarding this topic. एक worksheet है आपके पास, और फिर आपके पास है listening जो आपने पिछले लेक्चर में listen किया था. आज आपको उसे डिक्टेट करना है, सुनना है और डिक्टेट करना है. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this lecture. I hope this lecture is useful and helpful for you. So time to say Allah Hafiz, but before going, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it, and if you like it, hit the like button. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.